I just told you. Go. Nobody say me you no go shower. So wetin they talk?
Alright, so you saying that?
I say go. If you go shower, wetin they talk?
I'm starting proud.
Wait to the top.
When you telling me,
You dey ask me whether we fit shower. I said before. You dey there me pants wear you.
if you was talking about,
I see they see me so na shower.
Fucking English. What are you saying?
Not the English I dey speak
if I
so.
put something on your
So what the fuck is you saying?
I say me. And they go back. I don't know whether you still one day inside this uniform, but me, I they go back.
Oh, you're gonna go.
I tell you now, what see they ask me.
Oh my, why you gotta make this difficult? You're gonna go bathe, right? You're saying you're gonna go bathe, but you don't know what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
What you saying?
You ask me whether I no shower. I say me, I they go shower, sha.
What's gonna happen?
I don't know what you want to do. What you want to do? You want to stay inside that uniform?
No, I want to shower and go to bed.
Aba Uja. Now Abuja. Aba Uja. The two river union, the river Niger and river Benue or Benua.
Amazing. My first time coming across the Niger River, River Niger. Guys, it's so huge. I'll come and show them. It is really, really huge. Amazing. Even though I don't know the name of this state, but I am here now. See how big it is. And also because it is raining, I mean it is full actually. You can see some fishermen down on it, making fishing and all that. They say you should travel and see. Travel and see, oh!
Arika Chinyere. Arika now Ika. The North area people in the now Delta state. The Abo now Abo Aboru Indioru of Ukeri Ijabude Juyana now July Junior now Junior Brother now Brother Zo Ga now Go